Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Android version and which keyboard you use because Clipboard features vary. Once done, enable that keyboard and grant Clipboard permissions in Settings if asked. Now open any app and tap a text field. This brings up the keyboard. You can either long press a text box or tap the Clipboard icon on Gboard or Swift key. This first action reveals recent copies, so you can immediately paste or pin important items for later. Once the Clipboard is open, you control the content. Tap any item to paste it into the active field, or long press an entry to reveal edit, pin, or delete options. Make sure to pin repeated snippets so they stay available across sessions. If you need a specific line, use the Clipboard search or edit to shorten text. For sensitive info, use your keyboard's secure Clipboard mode or expiry settings, which prevents accidental leaks. These steps keep your workflow fast and organized. To finish, adopt advanced habits. Sync Clipboard only with accounts you trust or disable Cloud Sync to protect privacy. If the Clipboard stops working, restart the keyboard or app, clear cache, and recheck permissions. That resolves most glitches. If you need a longer history or categories, install a reputable Clipboard Manager app and learn its pin and expiration features. One troubleshooting tip: if pastes are blank, toggle Clipboard permission off and on. Then capture a new item to reset the buffer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.